Hey you, yes you. Are you watching this video because you're bored? I know you are, looking like Momo. Stop it, no TikToks. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe to be a part of the chocolate gang, gang. Enjoy! Probably. What? Stop blowing on my dang phone. Whack ass hoes. But anyway, probably wondering why I gathered y'all hoes here. I know you ain't watching this alone. JK. You're watching it with Momo, the queen. Follow her on Instagram at Momo. I breathe into y'all scalps. But anyway, this video will be sponsored by your moms. Stop liking my stuff. Dang, won't let me film a video. Just keep watching, bro. Like, I can't explain it. My name's Katrina. I've been addicted to slime since yesterday. So I was just poking it, right? And it just felt so good in my hands. I was like, yes, this is glory. And my mom was like, you're playing with that? No way. Mother, you're 55 years old. You're old as frick. I bet you were alive when... I was thinking of something, but I couldn't say it because then my mom would have pimp slapped the white off me and I would have been black. But she already did that. I was like, y'all gonna see my whole family up in this piece. Yes, I am the mama, and I don't care what y'all gotta say. I don't think this is healthy for her. She should not be staying up late at night playing with this disgusting stuff. There's more. 3 containers of slime. Who does that? And she made up a lie and she told you I slapped her. Okay? She lying. Put my hair back. She lying. Make sure I look good. She lying, okay? Because I actually did was walk in her room. I was like, scared. I was like, you're playing with slime. Who does that? And then I walked out. And that's low-key, that's all what happened. So she told y'all that. She lying. Cause, you know why? Cause whenever this video done, trust me and believe me, she won't be saying nothing. Nothing about no more slime. Cause I'm a big ass. Oh my God, I don't wanna do this. Ugh. I'm her father. I had to deal with this since yesterday. Slime. I had to grab her mama off of her, beating her. I had to get that out of me. Okay, so I'm her father, and she lying to y'all. Like, I'm gonna spill all the good tea, sis. Honey ain't no addiction. This girl did this for clout. You heard me. Dr. Phil, I know y'all watching this. You Dr. Phil, you look like it. You kind of look like him. Yeah, Dr. Phil, I'm talking to you. My daughter, she did this for clout. Don't send her money, send me money, because I spilled the tea on her. Yes, I don't care if she's my daughter, daughter-in-law, sister, the fact. She ain't finna use us, make lies of us to get bang. I can do that myself. Honey, you see this? Gang. How y'all doing? I know this is for a different video. Y'all ain't supposed to be listening. I need to go to my room. What is this? Story time? No. So, the next clip, y'all gonna see my sister, my daughter. I love this little girl because she spilled anything. I promise you. Just keep watching now. Just keep. I don't want to be in the video. If you don't get your ass in it. I know. Sorry, guys. Y'all had to see that. Like, I bet y'all thought my dad actually hit me and pushed me. That was just all me, sucker. Hi, I'm her sister. Oh shoot, my hair looking a hot mess. I'm gonna fix it. Done. Looking flyer than ever. All y'all man's messy. Like I said, this is an oddity. So I was in my sister's room, right? And she was like, slime. And she was shoving it into my face, and I was like, if you don't move that disgusting dookie looking slime out of my face. And she said, what'd you say to me? I said, you hurt me. I didn't stutter. And she hit me like this. So I said, and then she started crying. And I was like, oh shoot. So I gave her milk. And then she started not crying. And then, you know, I'm younger than her. But I'm better than her. Because I can get better clout than her. Who the freak mixed up their addicted to slime? Who the freak does that? Oh my God, the touch just makes me, stop. No, hunty. No. I'm gonna go back to that bald-headed bitch so y'all can hear what the fuck she gotta say, because I know all that shit she gotta say. She gonna run me that up. I know she's scared of me. I know it. She gonna catch me after this video. Believe that. What her fuck? What? When me her fuck, bitch. Give me all your slime. Give me all your jawbreakers. Nah, bitch. Fight me. Stop pulling my hair. I admit it. It was all for clout. This, I can't even look at it. My sister beat it out of me. Because you know what? You know what? I'm not addicted to slime. Makes me want to gag thinking about it. You know what I'm addicted to? BRB. Hot sauce. Get it now at McDonald's. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more stupid videos like this. I'm not a good video taker and stuff. I almost died making this video. Y'all better watch. But y'all already watched. Y'all better subscribe. Wait. Y'all should have already subscribed. Y'all should have liked. Hold up. Should have been liked. And if you dislike this video, Momo's going to kill you. Okay, let me stop before y'all. But anyways, don't forget to get this.